Missed every asset boom. He's ready to YOLO everything. Where does he start? Guy said. I'm right here with you, totally depressed. I slept through the BTC boom 2009, 2017 not believing in it. I could not believe that there are people that want to buy stuff with imaginary currency. I didn't have enough money to invest in the stock market in the 2010s because I was either studying or just climbing the corporate ladder. The moment I had a bit of cash to invest, COVID happened and I was hoping for the real estate bubble to finally pop with all the lockdowns and unemployments, people not being able to pay mortgages and having to sell their second or third home. Now there are days I can't sleep because I'm so stressed. At least I have a job, but I'm giving only my 10 because I don't care. There is just no hope and I don't know what to do. I got fucked at every corner, so now I think that if I get a whiff of a new potential investment, I'm going balls deep. You tell me that tomorrow the price of light bulbs will go 10,000, I'm going to buy the whole lamp and bulb section of Walmart and try to sell it in 2 days. I'm so desperate. Funny you should say that. I'm actually a Nigerian prince, and what I'm about to say next might sound a bit crazy. Sounds like you're going to lose everything and be back to square one. YOLO your savings into a library card and read The Richest Man in Babylon. This is an ultimate bull trap statement. Impatient and desperate. Welcome. You who are about to lose everything. We salute you. Believe me when I say this, every investor feels the way you're feeling now at some point or another. In most years, some stock or commodity or alternative asset skyrockets. But in all but a few cases, the gains are obvious only in hindsight. It's easy to think that you could have made a $100,000 or $500,000 or whatever after the fact. It's much more difficult to identify the opportunity when the asset in question is near its cheapest price. What's my point? I don't fucking know. I'm still kicking myself for not backing up the truck when NVDA was in the low $100s. But that's life. I'm just happy that I'm 100 invested in large tech companies. If you're drinking, I suggest you stop. You're not the only one feeling this way. A lot of people are in the same boat as you, myself included. I've been trying to diversify my portfolio and invest in different things, but it's hard when there doesn't seem to be anything worth investing in. Real estate is a good option, but it's so risky right now with the economy the way it is. I'm just holding on and hoping that things will turn around soon. Don't chase losses, bro. This is where the MMs want you to be. You didn't get fucked. You laid there and watched things go by. Getting fucked would have been bag holding Meta real estate, or safe moon coins, or Pelation. All because you listened to pump and dump threads on Reddit. Wait, never mind. You got fucked. The next boom is altcoins. You should buy all of them. Buy low, sell high, or sell while high, or WT fever. But what you don't do is have this "oh god, everything's so horrible, what do I'll do" type of mindset you are displaying. There's always a downtrend near the last quarter. Why do you think it's called September? And that's your time to take your 10 by the discounts and wait for the upwards moves. Otherwise you have already lost. His wallet is sweaty, knees weak, bags are heavy. There is cum in his wife already. Chad has been steady. It was never possible to spot the next big thing or we'd all be rich. The people that got rich with Tesla were all laughed at when they invested. Nobody sane thought that moron would go anywhere. Same with BTC. The housing market has also been expected to crash since I was born half a century ago. Yay Burry. Got it right shortly, but there has been thousands of other morons that nobody remembers because their timing was off. Tomorrow there's another big thing. And you're most likely going to miss out on that too. Lol, crypto boom ended in 2017. Did you not see 2021? Uranium supply squeeze. Inverse Kramer Kathy. Got REKT in .com. Got REKT in 07, 08. The best investors I know kept maxing their 401k with Match and did not get divorced. Spoiler alert, most people miss out on the 10 baggers. Smart people beat inflation by a few a year. And the degens live here and mostly blow up their accounts. YOLO into VTI in your Roth and fuck off. If BTC is an imaginary currency, then why are not normal currencies also imaginary? TQQ. I think, as most rich people would tell you, money is not everything. Try to cherish and enjoy your time with building relationships with your friends and family is more rewarding than monetary gains. Don't get trapped to thinking all there is to life is money and the things money brings. 99% of the population missed out of those things the same as you. You don't have to catch the next once in a lifetime boom. You just have to not invest like shit. Put everything you have into SCHD. You'll get a paycheck every quarter in the form of dividend. Put that dividend into 0DTE SPY puts. Space Race 2 Lunar Boogaloo. Stack silver. Listen to Shane Warren. Just DCA into something you think will still be around in 10 years. Done. Instructions are simple, but I'm sure OP will find a way to F it up. You missed the train, but there will be more trains. Just don't jump on the track to catch it. Try YOLOing in an index fund and sitting the fuck down. There may yet be some hope for you. Have you heard of a squeeze called GameStop? I'm no economist, but now does not seem the time to take risk on. Wait for better opportunities. Vague advice, but my point is the market is still hard to play without an edge. You do not have an edge. Don't play. I love guzzling my own hot and salty piss. This is a casino. Of course we're all chasing that big payout. No matter how many times my account goes to zero, I always buy back in. Let me tell you about this new concept AI. It's gonna change the world. Sounds like you will be behind the Wendy's soon enough with the rest of us. Ammo, my friend. It's getting scarce and expensive fast. Lol, relax dude. Life is not that dramatic. Hindsight is always 20/20. If you want to go for home runs, go for it. But be prepared to lose it all. My advice would be to instead focus and invest in yourself. Build skills, do things that can help you make a better income in the future. What do you think young adults did in 2008 when there were no jobs and the economy went to shit? They went back to school and got ready for the 2010s. Space to me seems like the next one. Have you ever seen The Big Short? Just do that. My brother, who is a professional, told me the housing market is going to crash soon. So whiny. Everything is other people's fault. Sounds like you have done your due diligence and are ready for WSB. Nice data harvesting smirk. Sounds like OP hasn't dipped into the market yet. There are hundreds of stocks doubling in value even during bear market. Take PDD. It's a shit Chinese company full of fraud and misreporting, yet it went from 40 to 110 within 2 quarters. Meta. NFLX also bottomed and spiked up. OTM calls will make you rich. But if you don't want risk, this isn't the place for you. Neo Dollar. BTC boom April 2024 December 2025.